Oh,
my
bro, come on. So as you saw there at the beginning, we got pretty far. Um, there's been a lot of delays because both of us are a little bit busy right now. I've been dealing with a lot of studying in school, and that has been going too hot for me, I'm gonna be honest, but it is what it is. We put in time where we can. So I've hashed out most of the logic, just the basic logic of chess itself, and then he did a lot of the artwork, as you can see. It looks really, really good. Today we put it together. We spent a couple hours trying to put it together, line up the scripts a little bit, mess with the animations a little bit to make sure that what would work for us and what doesn't and stuff like that. But yeah, as you can see, it's coming along nicely. Pretty cool. And at the end here, I will show you a full kind of demo-ish. Not really. I didn't really end up playing the game or anything like that, but it was just like a full turn of it. But yeah, looks great. Bye.